Hi everyone, this is Marielle from LandRec, and today we're looking at a big 2.35 acre lot, which is at 5353 Garnet Road in Golden Valley, Arizona. Now this is at Mohave County. On the side here, you will see some actual photos and some aerial views of the lot. Now the area has power across the street. Now I'm just gonna show you. This is our lot. Again, can be accessed through Garnet Road. Now, Golden Valley is located just west of Kingman, Arizona, and south of Las Vegas, Nevada. That is just 100 miles away. Now, here are the dimensions of the lot. And if we're going to go back and scroll down a bit, you will see here the property details, and this is the buyer's application form. At the bottom of the website, you will see here our full screen view of the lot. Now, this is powered by our MapCard software. You just need to click in full screen and you'll be directed to an interactive map that will provide you dimensions, borders. You can check the surrounding environment of the area, and you can see what type of road access the property has. So, again, this is your lot. So this is a larger lot and it has a good amount of space around it. This is Highway 10, Highway 40. Now, Highway 40 can take you to Flagstaff further east. Las Vegas is just up north. Now, if you are interested with this lot, it's available at landforsale.com with cash discount price of only $14,500. We offer seller financing with no credit check required. You just need to fill up the buyer's application form. You can put in a down payment of only $400 to reserve the lot. Or if you have further questions, call us at 928-515-3510. We also have our live chat support, and you will be directed to our sales manager, George, and he will be there to assist you. Thank you.